To create this very popular effect, where the classic cinematic bars animate on screen, firstly go to File, New, Adjustment Layer. Make sure the adjustment layer is the same size as your video resolution, and then click OK. Add this adjustment layer above your footage on the timeline, and extend to make sure it covers the full length of your video. In the Effects panel, search for the Crop effect, and then drag and drop this onto your adjustment layer. Next, move the video playhead to where you want the animation to start, and click the stopwatch next to the top and bottom crop options to set keyframes here at 0. Next, drag your playhead to where you want the animation to finish, and input the same value in the top and bottom crop options. This will set keyframes here for the animation, and here we've used a value of 12. You have now created the effect, and you can increase or decrease the time between the keyframes to speed up or slow down the animation as required.